If you find yourself lost in the woods, these devices could save your life, and the last one could even get you out of a desperate situation. It's time to meet the Path 22, a sleek, minimalist, and visually appealing design that captures the essence of a powerful compass in its most refined form. Camping survival gear. Say goodbye to bulky compasses in your everyday life and welcome a simpler and more elegant life. Its ultra-thin design makes it even more compact than its counterparts and allows it to easily attach to almost anything, whether it's your backpack, jacket, keychain, or first aid kit, suitable for any situation indoors or out. In life's unpredictable moments, a compass can be vital. The Septum Mini Compass carried in a pocket or on a keychain becomes an invaluable ally in emergency situations. Its innovative design, with a replaceable liquid or air-filled compass core, seamlessly adapts to different environments, keeping you ready for any adventure. And that's just a small step toward everything we're about to see, so get ready to experience emotions you never knew you had with the gear that follows. But first, let me introduce you to the MSK1 Primitive Survival Knife. The MSK1 Primitive is no ordinary survival knife. It's designed to evolve with you and adapt to your ever-changing needs. With a wide selection of exclusive accessories, sheaths, handles, and kits, you can customize and enhance your survival knife system according to your preferences and specific needs. This knife is meticulously handcrafted in the remote regions of Central America by master knife makers who specialize in creating exceptional knives for demanding everyday use. The MSK1 Primitive is forged from 1075 high-carbon steel, known for its durability and ability to retain its edge under most extreme conditions. Despite its outstanding strength and performance, the MSK1 Primitive is surprisingly lightweight, measuring just 0.22 inches thick, making it 1 ounce lighter than the MSK1 Elite, which measures 0.25 inches thick. This weight difference does not compromise its performance, maintaining its reliability and effectiveness at all times. With its unique combination of ruggedness, versatility, and lightweight, the MSK1 Primitive is the perfect tool for any outdoor enthusiast looking for a reliable and rugged companion on their adventures. And that is nothing, because if you love this one, the next one takes it to the next level. Affordable survival tools? This hand drill can be your best ally in survival and emergency situations. With the Settler's Wrench Bushcraft toolset, building emergency shelters becomes a simple and effective task. Carry this wooden drill for outdoor activities on your camping trips, hiking, backpacking, bushcraft crafts, etc., or when building with primitive tools in nature. The process is simple. Use the 1-inch wooden drill bit to drill a hole where you need it. You can use a stick for leverage to make drilling easier. In addition, this tool has a peg maker that allows you to make pegs with ease. The auger eye has a cutting point for a peg wrench, so you can hammer a branch and get a peg the same size as the wood auger bit. With this versatile tool, you'll be ready for any outdoor challenge. And we've only just begun, because what's next? Can this be considered real? But yes, it is. Let's take a look at this smart solution for starting a fire in any situation. The fire strip roll is a versatile option for starting a fire, conveniently packaged in a 3-inch metal can with a screw-on lid for easy storage and transport. Constructed of dense and fibrous wood pulp and fully impregnated with water-resistant wax, the fire strip roll offers proven effectiveness in fire preparation and ignition. Its use is simple. Carefully remove a portion of the roll and gently manipulate it with your fingers to break the wax layer and reveal the inner fibers. Once prepared, ignite these fibers with a flint spark or an open flame. If necessary, you can add more material from the roll or combine it with other tinder to create a stronger flame. With its compact design and durable metal can, the fire strip roll is not only a reliable fire starter, but also a practical solution for the outdoorsman. Its easy access to kindling and weather resistance make it an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. We've talked about a lot of inventions, but we haven't talked about this one. Innovation for survival. Forged from anodized titanium and constructed from premium stainless steel, the Instafire Inferno stove provides exceptional heat resistance on the outside. Weighing only 2 pounds and 2 ounces, this stove is lightweight and easy to carry. Its adjustable feeding pot supports fold compactly inside the stove itself for easy storage and transport in the included carrying case. With the versatility to use a variety of fuels, the Inferno can burn a wide range of biodegradable materials, from paper and twigs to pellets and pine cones, in addition to the Instafire fire starter. Designed to be a reliable emergency stove, the Inferno features the ability to generate high temperatures through a USB-powered fan located at the base of the stove. This fan provides precise heat control, ensuring that your food cooks perfectly without burning or undercooking. With its power and efficiency, the InstaFire Inferno is the ideal choice for any outdoor cooking situation. You find that fascinating, don't you? Well, this next invention will impress you just as much or even more. The Zakus rope container is not only a practical solution, but also a versatile tool for a variety of situations. Imagine being in the middle of a task and needing a rope quickly. With Zakus, you always have a ready cut. Simply pull out the desired length of rope and use the cutting insert to get the job done. Plus, its compact and durable design makes it perfect for storing and accessing rope quickly and easily, whether it's in your backpack, car cup holder, or garage. This rope isn't just tough, it's incredibly strong. With a maximum tensile strength of 1,100 pounds, you can count on it for your most demanding projects. Plus, its versatility allows you to use it in a variety of situations, from camping and hiking to tasks around the house, farm, or garden. But this is just the beginning of something even more amazing. Get ready to witness a technological evolution that will completely change your perception of what's possible. These tablets are truly a revolution in water safety. They contain iodine, a powerful and reliable agent that is essential for purifying water, especially in emergency situations or in environments where water quality is questionable. Each tablet delivers a precise concentration of iodine that kills bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens, ensuring that the water is clean and safe to drink. It's no wonder they're the preferred choice of militaries and emergency organizations around the world. But their utility is not limited to extreme situations. They're equally valuable to campers, backpackers, and hikers who need a reliable source of drinking water while exploring the outdoors. Plus, their affordable price and portability make them a must-have for any survival kit or travel gear. With 50 tablets in each pack, they have the capacity to purify up to 25 liters of water, ensuring a safe and reliable supply at all times. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. The versatility of Ripstop Nylon knows no bounds when it comes to quickly and effectively repairing your outdoor gear. An emergency tool. From worn-out umbrellas to backpacks and tents, this waterproof, tear-resistant fabric is your trusted ally. Imagine you're in the middle of a hike and suddenly discover a hole in your ski jacket or sleeping bag. No problem. With just a few seconds and the right patch, you can fix the problem in no time. First, clean the area around the hole to make sure it's free of dirt and debris. Then choose the size and shape of the patch that best fits your needs. With Ripstop fabric, you can be sure your repair will be durable and strong, keeping your clothing and gear in optimal condition for future outdoor adventures. Each repair kit comes with 11 premium self-adhesive patches that are carefully pre-cut and soft to the touch. If that took your breath away, wait until you see what's coming next. We're about to embark on a journey that will exceed all expectations. Glowmine glow sticks are much more than just light sources. They're an essential resource for any emergency kit or survival gear. Their innovative design provides 360-degree illumination for full visibility in any situation. In addition to their exceptional brightness, these sticks are compact and easy to store, making them ideal companions for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, or boating. Their durability is impressive. Made from high-quality materials, these glow sticks are designed to withstand the most extreme conditions, from high winds to heavy rain. No matter how demanding the situation, these lights will continue to shine, providing safety and peace of mind to those who use them. Their versatility makes them even more valuable. In addition to being essential for emergency situations such as power outages or evacuations, Glowmine sticks are also great for recreational activities such as night fishing, camping, or simply adding a touch of fun to outdoor parties. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.